Warm tips: 1. After fully charged, please cut off the power in time to help protect the battery life. 2. It is forbidden to use overpowered chargers, up to 5V/1A. 3. Please use a wet soft cloth to clean the surface of this LED mask, keep the battery away from water. Hang it in ventilated place to dry it. Do you want to be a star in parties? Do you need a gorgeous glowing decoration during your night activities? Do you want a latest fancy luminous prop to make you the center of attention? This LED mask will be your first and last choice. To be the coolest guy this night with it. Specification: 7 colors, red, green, yellow, blue, light blue, pink, white. 5 modes, monochrome, flash, gradual, smooth, polychromatic. Battery capacity 230 mAh. Battery life, 500 cycles. Input voltage/current, 5V/1A. Fully charged time, 1 hour. Work time after fully charged, 4 hours. In charged, red light blink. Charging finished, green light blink or keep on. This LED light up face mask can be used to rave festivals, bars, clubs, electric glow run, LED parties, costume parties, Mardi Gras, carnivals, masquerade and so on. It's also an excellent festival gift for your family and friends, like New Year's Day, Valentine's Day, April Fool's Day, Easter, Independence Day, Halloween, Thanksgiving Day, Christmas, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, etc. Package include: 1. LED light up face mask plus 1 USB cable plus 1 product instruction manual plus 1 packing bag plus 1 thanks card. Superior service, Amazon Prime supported, 15 days no reason return. 24 hours customer service online. Worry-free shopping.